under the gears. All right, YouTubes. We're going to do the clutch adjustment on the Milwaukee 8, and I'm going to go over a few things before we get started here with you. Just some little tips and tricks for the clutch adjustment straight out of the manual. So the first thing you want to do is you want to stand the motorcycle upright, not leaning on the Jiffy stand. You want it on a level surface with the front wheel straight. Here's another big thing that a lot of people miss on this. Perform clutch adjustment with motorcycle at room temperature. Clearance at adjustment screw increases as powertrain temperature increases. If adjustment is made when hot, clearance at pushrod bearing could be insufficient. When cold, clutch slippage could occur. So you want your clutch adjustment done with the bike cold at room temperature. You want it up straight. I'm going to use the little jack here to get it straight. Level, wheel straight ahead. And then we'll get into this thing. Got the bike level, the wheel straight ahead, we're at room temperature. I like to keep it in gear. We got it in gear for when we get to that jam that's inside our derby cover. The first thing we're going to do is going to unload the spring tension off here. It's super easy. You got the two clips here, one here, one here. We're going to take those clips off and we're going to slide this plastic cover over the clutch adjuster up. Okay, with the clips off, this will slide up, exposing our clutch adjuster. And you're going to find this red tab here, this red locking tab. We're going to push this tab out, then we're going to press this spring down and lock it back in. Okay, so we push the red tab out. Now we can compress this spring. This spring's going to compress down in here, and then we're going to lock it. Let's see if I get two hands on that. Let's see here. We're going to compress it in and then lock it. Now our lever with that, like that, that's the first part. This lever is super loose. And we've got all the spring tension off our lever, off our clutch lever. Now we can get into the derby cover for the clutch adjustment. T25 Torx. We're going to get all 5 of these off.
Just break them loose and get them out of there.
Okay, with our derby cover off, we're going to loosen this jam nut here. We're going to loosen it up, so then we're going to loosen this, tighten it to where it just grabs, lightly grabs, and then it wants us to pull the clutch lever 3 times. And that's right in the manual, and I can show you that in the manual here real quick. So loosen jam nut on clutch adjuster, turn adjuster screw inward clockwise until lightly seated. Then squeeze clutch lever a maximum limit 3 times to release clutch mechanism. Then you're going to back out your adjustment screw 1/2 to 1 full turn. I usually go 3/4 while holding the adjuster screw. Tighten the jam nut. 72 to 120 inch-pounds. Say on the socket is it's 11/16 socket. What I got here is I got a deep socket I'll use. 11/16 deep socket. She'll fit right on there to break loose. Got that loose. See, I'm loosening her up. Now I'll get my Allen wrench here. Give her a quick back out. Oh, I gotta get the smaller one. That one's a little... So we got her backed out. So I'm gonna tighten it till it just grabs. Right about there. Just starting to grab. Pump this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna set it. I like to go 3/4. So just to where it bites. Just to where it bites. Then that's a 1/2 a turn. And then I'll go just a hairball more. And then we'll try and get this on there tight. I do have a wrench. And we'll just get her a little snuggy. Like that. And I got my torque wrench here. I set my torque to like 95. It says it can go up to 120, 70 to 120. So let's see what we get here. We're torqued. And that's it, pretty much. Okay, now with that done, we can pop this back out and release our spring. There she goes. Make sure she's all fitted back up on top. Get her resetted. Bring her back on down. Then we're gonna get our clips back on. And voila, we have done our clutch adjustment. Then you want to check our free play at our barrel right here. 1/16 to 1/8. That feels good. Clutch is adjusted. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If the video is helpful, hit me a like button. If you have never subscribed, please consider. See you on the next one.